We found a new toy. This is the girls' toilets, and the lads are cleaning them. And we've just discovered that we can do this. Ross, I need you to come towards the camera, mate. Ross. Ross, or any of you actually, come out of the cubicle. What's his name? What's his fucking name? What's his name?
It's Ross and Connor.
Ross, Connor, come out of the cubicle a second. I need you to come to the walk towards the camera.
So I've got something on there.
Come here. Walk to. No, seriously, there's something on the camera. You need to clean it. You know the dome. Ross, I'm being serious. Come here. Yeah, Connor, come here. Connor, walk forwards. It's like a fucking game. Connor, wrong way. That's it. Walk towards the camera. Right. Can you see the camera lens? I need you to clean that because it's got marks all over it. Can you go and get a cloth, please? Quickly. Oh, can he was laughing? I just realised he was laughing as well. Connor, can you get a cloth, please? Okay, can you please wipe the... That's it, look. You missed a bit. Good job. Well done.
I don't know if you can shine it off, please.
Can you get like a dry cloth and buff it for me? Shine it up. Ross, can you help him? Because he thinks I'm taking a piss and it's quite serious. It's a security issue if we can't see properly through the cameras in the girls' toilets. Ross, why are you hiding? Ross, what are you doing in that cubicle? Look at him. He's fucking laughing. That's it. Is that the dry cloth? That's it. Can you please now buff that? Thank you. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Code green on that camera, thank you.